Hello students. Today my speech topic is separation of substances. So you all know about the separation of substances, and there are many substances around us which contain only one or more than one types of component. For example, a piece of iron is formed of only one kind of particle, and every particle of a piece of iron is pure iron. Similarly, each particle of gold is also pure. The substance which contain only one kind of particle are called pure substance. In another way, we have discussed about the element and compound. So element is a substance made up of identical particle of one kind of material. For example, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold are the element, and the compound is a substance formed as a result of chemical combination of two or more than two element is a substance in a fixed ratio. For example, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, common salt are the example of compound. So, in the next, we have discussed about need for the separation. So, a large number of substances available in nature are mixed with certain other substances. Thus, most naturally occurring substances are mixture of two or more substances. So, these are the mixture may contain one or more useful substance. So, they may have also some harmful or unwanted substance. So, therefore, separation of substance is needed for the following purpose. So the purpose is obtain pure sample of substance, to obtain useful constituent, and to remove any harmful or undesirable constituent. So there are methods of separation. So several methods are used for separating mixture into its constituent. The choice of the method used depend on the some property that one constituent of the mixture has and the other do not. The properties which are different from the different substance are generally used for the separating the components of a mixture. So first one we have discussed about the separating solids from other solid. So the method is hand picking. Hand picking is a useful only when any one of the component is present in small quantity and differs in color, shape or size so that it can be picked up. For example, stones can be separated from rice grain by hand picking. Seeds of different varieties of pulses can be separated from their mixture by hand picking. The another method is threshing. So, threshing after harvesting the crop of wheat or paddy, the bundle of its stalk are prepared. So, the process of beating stalk of grain to release the grains is called threshing. And the another method is winnowing. So winnowing is the process of separating heavier solid component from the lighter ones. So one threshing of crops plants a mixture of husk and grains is obtained. Husk is lighter than grain. The mixture is slowly dropped from a height in presence of wind. The heavier particle drop almost vertically, whereas the lighter particle are carried some distance away by the wind. Hence, the husk form a heap at the little distance away from the heap of grains. And the next process is the sieving. So, sieving is the process of separation when the components of a mixture are different in sizes. The sizes of the pore in the sieve depend on the size of component to be separated. A sieve with a fine pore is used at home to separate bran and other undesirable substance from flour. However, it is not considered a healthy practice as the bran provide. A sieve with a bigger pore is used at a construction site to separate sand from pebbles. Okay, then the next one is filtration. So you know about the filtration. Filtration is a method of separating an insoluble solid particles from liquid using material that allow the liquid to pass through but not the solid. This method is used for separating fine insoluble substance for separating the solid material. So the mixture is allowed to pass through a filter. A filter is a medium with fine pore. The insoluble solid particle are retained by the filter and the clear liquid is collected as the filtrate. A piece of muslin cloth and filter paper are commonly used for the filter. So filtering tea by using a strainer is also an example of filtration. Okay, so the next one is the end of the speech. So student, we have studied about the separation of substance and I have repeated the method of separation. So hand picking, winnowing, threshing, filtration and sieving. So I hope this topic is help to know about the separation of substance. Okay, thank you.